Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force.
Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, April 1st, 2024. Now on to today's headlines. Authentico Foods, a tortilla and tamale maker out of Archer Heights, Illinois, is laying off 60 factory workers starting today and stretching for 2 weeks. While these layoffs are temporary, workers are worried that the shutdown will last longer than 2 weeks or even become permanent as a retaliation for organizing. Authentico cited excess of inventory and limited purchase orders over the next 2 weeks as a reason for the temporary shutdown. However, the layoffs were timed just a week after workers requested a meeting with management to discuss improving conditions. The workers have filed a retaliation charge with the National Labor Relations Board in response. The video game industry continues to have hemorrhage, with Certain Affinity, the studio known for co-developing Halo and Call of Duty, announcing a reduction in force early this week. The studio stated that they will be cutting 25 US-based employees working on the business operations side of the company. CEO Max Hoberman announced the layoffs in a post on the company's site, citing industry-wide slowdowns in funding of new games that have made it difficult to get new work. Certain Affinity will provide severance pay and benefits to continuation to the impacted staff. Finally, late last week, BCS Access Business Systems US, an automotive parts manufacturer, announced that they would let go 123 employees during the second half of 2024. This layoff is due to the closure of their plant in Winona, Minnesota, which is a permanent shuttering of operations at that location. There's no specific date announced for the layoffs, as some of the impacted staff will have union rights that need to be accounted for. The layoffs will include both salaried and hourly workers.
Lastly, we are one of the leading global outplacement and career consultancies on the planet. If you are interested in resume assistance, career planning, or coaching assistance for yourself or your staff, please don't hesitate to reach out to me today.